Recently, you learned about the value of maintaining a professional online presence and connecting with others in the data field. As I noted, there are many professional networking sites, such as LinkedIn, that are well worth your time and involvement. But here's something that many people don't realize. Some of the best opportunities are never actually shared on a networking site. Sometimes there are professional opportunities that are not publicly advertised by the employer. There are lots of reasons why some positions are not posted. Maybe an employer is concerned about revealing details about confidential projects to its competitors through a job posting. Or perhaps the company HR department doesn't have the resources to review a flood of applications. Often a business may choose to use a recruiter instead of posting jobs. So let's start exploring how you can increase your visibility to access more opportunities through building valuable relationships. After all, the more people you connect with professionally, the greater your chances are for being referred. Be sure to follow best in class organizations and visionary business leaders on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Interact with them and share their content. If there's a post you like, consider commenting with a response or a thank you. You can also search for data field webinars featuring interesting speakers, and many of these events are free. This is another fascinating way to learn while connecting with peers, colleagues, and experts. And there are also lots of blogs and online communities that focus on data fields. Data and tech companies will often talk about what's new and important from their point of view, but there's a growing community of bloggers and podcasters who offer great perspectives of their own. Now let's move to in-person networking opportunities. The easiest way to find events is by simply searching for data science or data analytics events in your area. You'll likely discover a wide range of engagement opportunities, from more formal conferences and seminars to casual meetups and get-togethers. Nonprofit associations are also wonderful resources and may offer free or reduced rate memberships for students. In addition to networking, learning from a mentor can positively influence your career and life. As you may know, a mentor is someone who shares knowledge, skills, and experience to help you grow both professionally and personally. Mentors are trusted advisors and valuable resources. The first step in finding a mentor is to determine what you're looking for to narrow down your potential list. Think about any challenges you face or foresee and how to address them in order to advance professionally. Then consider who can help you grow in these areas, as well as fortify your existing strengths. Share these things openly when you formally ask someone to be your mentor. It's also helpful to note any common experiences. Perhaps you grew up in the same city. Maybe you both worked in the same industry. Your mentor doesn't have to be someone you work with currently. Many people find mentors on LinkedIn, an association mentorship program, or at a mentor matching event. This really taught me the value of mentorship. I also learned that having a successful mentorship experience requires effort and investment in time, whether you're preparing to ask the right questions, internalizing the feedback, or scheduling follow-up sessions. But it's well worth it. Always be open to connecting with new people. You never know where a single conversation will lead.